Why? There's many questions on that. So you need to, as a believer, we need to be trained or matured how to share the gospel, the biblical gospel,
But
because there is
do us a favor, Sawako, and tell people what the gospel is. Pretend like I'm an unbeliever and you're giving me the gospel.
yeah. Me, if I'm talking to the person, or for example you, I'm asking if they believe Jesus is God. No, if they believe Jesus is God, and then if they believe that Jesus died on the cross, the death, burial, resurrection of Jesus, and then if they believe that, then they are believing that that Jesus have a promise that if you believe that you have eternal life, then you are saved.
Okay.
You are saved. So we need to, if we share the gospel, we need to be equipped, you know